Everybody, welcome to Green Living Path. Today we're just going to do some yoga using your breath to link before your poses, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. So just you being conscious of breathing before your poses and linking it through. So in through the nose, out through the mouth we'll do today, and then just slowly getting through it and just breaking it down. I'm going to just let you follow the poses, and we're just going to warm up. So just starting with just hips, that's good, circles, this is a full body workout. This is one of my practices I do, so we're just going to keep practicing using the breath. We're going to do the whole practice. Let's give it a go. Good. Really releasing those hips. It's important to release the hips because we're sitting on our butts a lot nowadays. Great. Focus on the breath and just relaxing, rotating the hips. Then the other way. Great, it's good, nice round circles, fluent, flowing with all your movements. It's important. Really nice big grand circles. Just practicing each day. You can just do a little bit of the practice. You can break it down into different sections. But this is just a practice that I do